Hey, what's up everyone, and thank you for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to tie a full Windsor knot. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your shirt collar is up and place the tie around your neck. It doesn't really matter which side the skinny side is on or the wide side, but the skinny side has to be shorter than the wide side, so I like to stop it around the second or third button of my shirt. So what you want to do is grab it and make this X shape by crossing over the skinny side and the wide side, making sure the skinny side is on the bottom. Then grab the wide side and push it right through that top hole, bringing it down and outwards. Then take that same side of the tie, and now you want to bring it behind the rest of the tie to the other side. You don't have to switch hands, but I do just because it's more comfortable for me. So now what you want to do is take that same side of the tie and now tuck it back into that hole and tuck it in and down, bringing it down like that. Now I like to adjust it while I'm doing it to save time from having to adjust it at the end of tying it. Now after we finished adjusting it, we're going to take our tie and wrap it around the knot that we just created. And I place my finger on top of it to keep it in place. And then you want to take that side of the tie and push it right through that hole again. And once you've done that, take your index finger and slide it right under that part of the tie that you just wrapped around. Normally I would do that before, but this time I simply forgot to. So then you can just push it right through and then take your index finger and your thumb and bring the tie right down. From here, it's just a matter of adjusting the tie and tightening it to your liking. So give it a quick little adjust, and then to tighten it, grab the base of the knot in the skinny side and slide the skinny side down as you pull the base up, finalizing your tie. And once you're happy with how the tie looks, you can go ahead and flip down the collars, button up any necessary buttons, the top button, the collar buttons, etc. Normally my dress shirts don't have collar buttons, so don't kill me for having the collar buttons on my shirt, but this is my bartending shirt. You didn't see me do air quotes, but I just did air quotes. This is one of my bartending shirts. So don't kill me in the comments for having buttons on my collar. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful at all, if you like it at all, make sure you click the like button. Also feel free to leave feedback in the comments. Let me know how you felt about this video and if this tutorial helped you. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.